Hi children, this is your social ma'am. Today we are going to see this geography part, that is Earth our habitat. In that chapter 1, the Earth and the solar system, that we are going to see. See the contents. So what are the contents we are going to see in this chapter? Introduction and the solar system. In introduction, full moon and new moon, celestial bodies, stars, constellations, pole star, planets. In solar system, we are going to learn the sun, planets, the earth, the moon, asteroids and meteoroids. See the next slide children. Full moon day. It appears once in a month. We can call it as full moon day or Purnima or Paurnami in Tamil Nadu. See the next slide. New moon day. It appears once in a month. We can call it as new moon night or Amavasya. We can see in this day clear sky. See the next slide children. Celestial bodies. What is meant by celestial bodies? The sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky we are called as celestial bodies. So the one of the celestial bodies are stars. What is meant by stars? Stars are big and hot. It is made up of gases. It can have own heat and light. For example, sun is a star. See the constellations. What is meant by constellations? Various patterns formed by different groups of stars are called constellations. For example, Acha Major, Big Bear and Saptarishi. And also one more example. In ancient times, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of stars. That is North Star. We can call it as Pole Star. This is the way you can find out our Pole Star. See the picture. Planets. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the lights of the stars. This we can call it as planets. So the planet, the word derived from planetae. That means wanderers. See the next one is solar system. In this solar system we can have the sun, planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids. See the planets. The star Sun and the planet Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. See in this picture children. See down, you can refer page number 3 in your book. See this red color area. These planets are very close to the sun. They are made up of rocks. What are all the planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. See this Mercury is the closest to the sun. It takes 88 days to move around the sun, and for one spin on axis it takes 59 days. That means rotation. For rotate itself it takes 59 days. See the Venus. It takes 255 days to move around the sun. For one spin it takes 243 days. See the Earth. Earth takes 365 days to move around the sun, and for one spin it takes 1 day. And in our Earth we can have only one moon. See the mass. It takes 687 days to move around the sun, and for one spin it takes 1 day. It has 2 moons. See this yellow color side, children. See Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These planets are huge planets and made up of gases and liquids. And also it is very far from the sun. Jupiter. It takes 11 years, 11 months, about 12 years to move around the sun. It takes 9 hours, 56 minutes to spin itself, and it has 53 moons. See the next one, Saturn. It takes 29 years to move around the sun with 5 months and 10 hours 40 minutes to move for one spin, and it has 53 moons. Uranus. Uranus, it takes 84 years to move around the sun and 17 hours 14 minutes to spin itself, and it has 27 moons. See the next one, Neptune. It takes 164 years to move around the sun, and for one spin it takes 16 hours and 7 minutes. It has 8 moons. See the next slide, children. The sun is in the center of the solar system, and also it is made up of hot gases. See, the sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. See the next slide, children. Planets. See, already I said we have totally 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This is the easy way to memorize the name of the planets in order of their distance from the sun. That is, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. And also these planets move around the sun in a fixed elongated path called orbits. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. And also this is the fifth largest planet based on its size. The shape of the Earth is geoid because it is slightly flattened at the poles. It has water and air for survival. It also called as blue planet. Our Earth has only one moon. It is 384,400 kilometers away from us. Moon moves around the Earth in 27 days. It does not have the conditions favorable for life. See the next slide, children. Asteroids. These are tiny bodies which also move around the sun. And also the scientists, they are telling these are the parts of a destroyed planet. See the next slide, children. Meteorites. Small pieces of rocks which move around the sun. Sometimes these meteorites come near to the earth and tend to drop upon it. So you just understand it, children. In this universe we can have n number of galaxies. In that galaxies we are living in the Milky Way galaxy. So what is meant by galaxy? It is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. So our solar system is located in this Milky Way galaxy. Thank you, children.